Drop it.
And what's going on, guys? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Sorry I'm late. Courier came in and brought me some 1348 coffee. So I'm testing different blends from different companies just to see if it gives me that oomph and that jolt that I expect from a coffee. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Super? Good morning, Paul. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Mike D, good morning. All right. So, yes, 1348 medium and a dark roast. We're going to have different variants, light, medium, dark, right? I prefer medium roast personally. Am I a fan of Nespresso? No. No. I grind my coffee and then I brew my coffee. Good morning. Find 13 blends you like and then blend those into 48 unique blends. That's interesting. Good morning. The blonde roast. We're going to have a little something for everyone. Okay. Let's see. No liquid cocaine? Come on, man. No. We keep things legal here. All right. So let's get right into it. Let's do it. Because it's happening. We have Neo here, and we got Neo alerted at 10:37 to the downside. Let's go ahead and check out Neo. What is Neo doing? By the way, the spy. Neo, yellow light. Great. We'll get back to the spy in a second. We have a yellow light on Neo, guys. You're going to play this. Okay, so your risk is essentially the 48, which is your yellow line here. Okay, that's your 48. You have established this as your risk. But Neo looks like she's coming on down. Invictus, Neo, where's this candle? Invictus, you nailed it. Coming down to the 200. Guys, you know what happens when we come down to the 200, right? Guys, you know what happens when you are above the 200 and you get a put signal down to the 200. You know what happens? Your game becomes the scalp. What's up, Gabe? Thanks for the idea of owning our losses. Plan to use it. Been getting beaten up in the past month. Think it's due to emotions and hoping for reversals on my trade. That's the thing, guys. You have to be honest with yourself, right? When you are hoping for a reversal, you are creating a bias for yourself, right? Just do what the chart tells you to do. Take that step back. Again, people are like, well, I tend to do better with reversals, right? So you go ahead and you wait it out and you wait for something to run and then you're just like, okay, boom, reversal. The thing is that, is it relative to the 1348 schema? If it's not, then you're getting your ass handed to you, okay? Play the charts, not the emotions. You will do much better. Now, STV, now NVIDIA. Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA here, right? Now, Neo paid, gave you a little more than you deserved there. You knew how to play it. You were scalping down to the 200, and you made some money, and that is that. Now, we have NVIDIA. NVIDIA coming up to its 48, getting freaking rejected, and now rimming the 13. You got to love it here, guys. You definitely got to love it. Now, RSI is pivoting up, looking like it wants to break its moving average, right? But this MACD, look at this MACD. This is, I don't know, it looks like half of a human here, right? You got the foot, you got the torso, you got the head. This does not look like a healthy histogram. As it stands right now, no, I do not want to touch it. You played that dirty filth, go for it. That was great. Let's see, Tesla, what are we doing? Tesla looking nice. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla. And Tesla is, well, it was looking nice. So you got two sequential yellows. Check this out, guys. I mean, Again, you enter on a yellow dot, you quarter size it, you get another yellow dot, you quarter size it. You see that there's a level there. You are saying, okay, my risk now is going to be the 48. Let me see what the other indicators do. By the time you get to this candle, you already have a decent cross on the RSI. MACD begins its healthy movement to the upside. You then reach an apex. Where's that apex? Well, that apex is here, where RSI reached 75.74. You should have known better. Let's see if we have a level here. We have to zoom out. Do we have a level? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That level came here. Oh, wow. Blue pills, gotta love them. So, it gave you a little more than you deserve, and that's fine. It gave you a little more than you deserve. You go ahead, take a profits. Now, what are you guys waiting for? You're waiting for another yellow light, right? It's the yellow light district up in this bitch. Ha ha. All right, so what you want to do is you want to see Tesla break this level, and you want to see RSI begin to show strength below 50. Now, this histogram here is, that's... For the settings to be 24, 52, and 18, this looks like a histogram that belongs on the 12, 26, and 9. I'm not really feeling it, okay? Really not feeling it. Let's see here. Tori, let's see. Yes, Tori, you get all the support. Enter Tesla on the 1-minute rejection. Set a stop loss and profit. Moving up as we go, riding the move. Congratulations, guys. Listen, if you have any issues playing on the 5-minute because it's Chop City, again, we're going to talk about this in the masterclass, being able to use different time frames, okay? Now, we go to the 1-minute here. You can see now you're in a put, but the 1-minute gave you the signal. 1 minute gave you the signal. RSI broke below. You have the MACD. You got the MACD line breaking below its signal line. You got the histogram, just very, very healthy. You want to here, you come on down to the 48. Then you got the blue pill line right there. Ta-da! That was bank. Dude, that was bank. Okay, CVNA. Carvana. Man, these guys single-handedly destroyed the used car market. I hate them. Now, we're looking at them at 5:23. Let's go to the 5-minute. The 1-minute, sort of kind of like a cheat code, right? You see here, you get the yellow light. It turns into green and runs up. You get a level. RSI finally breaks down. But here we are on the 1-minute. You played this yellow light here on the 1-minute after it hit a level of resistance at 574 and you made bank. We're talking 549 to 518 and trending down. This is the name of the game here. Secure the bag. Okay, there was money there. You made the money. Secure the bag or make it free. Can you guys do that? Can you please do that? Baba Overcook in the daily. That time frame to go down. Okay, so we're going to check out Baba on the daily. 1 second. Do I like breakfast sausage? No, I don't. I don't eat breakfast. Let's go ahead and take a look at NIO. But first, Grant Wiley says, I'm new here. Thank you for your wisdom. What does the yellow light signify? All right, yellow light signifies a change in momentum. So you go from green, which is bullish, to yellow to red. There you go. Okay, now let's see here. Let's catch up. Baba. Let's go ahead and take a look at Baba here and bring up the charts. We got Baba. Baba, what are you doing? Okay, on the daily, Baba is smacking this blue pill line here. We got Ike Turner for the block. Now we got this yellow light here. Yellow light on the daily. Let you know, hey, come on in. This should be fun. Now, this is not the daily. My bad. This is the daily. The daily was even more filthier. You got the yellow light here. You come in at 79.06, and this was November, a week before Thanksgiving, and here you are at 113. I wonder how rich you would have gotten playing this freaking call here. The yellow light led you into 1348, which then signaled the call, which then carried you all the way up here. Oh my God, the filth is real. Now let's go ahead and look at Baba on a 5-minute. Baba on a 5-minute, you had the yellow light on top of the put signal. You opened the market to the downside. You're now flirting with this level here. 113.75. This is your blue pill line. Do I expect continued movement to the downside? I do. However, you get RSI break above 50, then game over, right? I do not leave things to speculation. I want to make money. I want to make it now. I want to make it confidently. Can we do that? Can we do that? All right. Trader Joe, UAL is fire. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at UAL here on the daily. Woo! Look at this filth. Look at this filth. Yellow light, call, level, break. You guys know what the hell to do. That was big. That was money. That was money. That was a whole lot of money. Trader Joe made that print. I love Trader Joe, guys. You are going to love the yellow light district once we get it up. This is awesome. Hey, Slow-Mo Joe, who are you talking about? This dude hasn't got a clue. Endless vague speculation. What are you talking about, man? Wait, is this stream public, private? Just trying to figure this out. Let's see. MU Micron. MU, well, you had the yellow light and, well, you are hitting a level here. Let's zoom out. It is public. Let's see. Best software to use. We use TradingView. Oh, man. I meant to make this private. Why is this public? Damn it. All right. OBS Studio. We need to have a conversation. Now, you have your blue pill line right there. Okay. Expect the rejection. You have to expect it. Okay. Let's see. This is public. All right. So if this is public, ladies and gentlemen, check out trade1348.com. You actually get these charts, and we're going to show these charts in real time, how powerful they are. These are the most powerful indicators on TradingView. If you already have TradingView and you have TradingView Pro, good. We can get all these indicators with TradingView Pro because we've consolidated everything into one study. With that being said, you can get these charts for free. Instead of talking shit, go ahead and get the charts for free. You can go ahead and just sign up for 1348 and cancel within 14 days. And you walk away with a free chart. And you know what? You walk away with a chart that's gonna make you money. Now, with that being said, there's no alert system out there that comes with a community. And it comes with the support, and it comes with a method, a strategy, and an ethos like we have here at Trade 1348. So any of you guys out there naysaying, you know what, you could just go fuck your mother. Let me enjoy some coffee. Now, shout out to those who want 1348 lifetime. STV, go ahead and drop the promo code into the chat here. Drop the promo code into the chat so those in the back can go ahead and sign up for 1348 lifetime. This is our 1 year anniversary. We've been around for a year. We're not going anywhere. OG lifetime. OG lifetime. Now let's go ahead and look at the SPYs, see what the SPYs doing. How's your AMC doing, Slow-Mo? Ooh, Gerardo. Interesting. Well, I, for one, am not in AMC. Thank God. Now, let's go ahead and look at this. We got the yellow light printing on the chart. Okay. Yeah, we're going to give public the discount. We've been around for a year. Let those guys join in, man. You know, it's like we can't have prosperity just for, you know, listen, prosperity is something that we got to share, right? And that's what we're doing. Can we get an emotional damage for Slow-Mo? Absolutely. You want to get emotional damage for Slow-Mo? There you go. Emotional damage, right? Now, my AMC puts up 20%. Congratulations. You're making money. You finally figured out how to make money. Just today, then we will change the code. Absolutely. It's just today because it's happy birthday to we. All right. Let's go ahead and get back to the SPY here. We are printing some red dots here. Yummy, yummy. You do have a level here. You have a level at 391.75. This is something that needs to be respected, right? Now, if you jumped in on this candle, then yeah, you made some money, right? But now we're looking at RSI, and RSI is trending down. You guys know what the rules are. It's trending down. Anything below 50 confirms a downtrend. MACD building some deep reds. My God, is she having her period? MACD crossing below its signal line. Let's see if this histogram builds out. Rick A, if you aren't paying, know the content spoken here is pretty much the strategy minus the community. Take your time. Risk management is key. Yeah. But hey, we got a lot of new stuff coming out that if you don't pay, you don't get to play with us. Anyways, let's get right back to it. Legendary, we got alerted on that yellow dot pretty early. Let's see. You get no predictive algo. Nope. That move was filthy. Yep. And then what we have here is we have platform. We have the alerts. And what we're going to do is include the yellow dot on the daily for the 9 to 5 trader. Guys, if you are thinking about trading and firing your boss, but you want to trade, all right, you want to trade in a much more calm environment, well, we're going to have yellow dots here in the 9 to 5 trader section. Of course, with Invictus and playing the 5-minute, we have those dots readily available to us, making it absolutely actionable. All right, let's go. Now, let's see here. Synthetic Wand Prince from Wiz. I'm broke. I figured that out from your name. All right, let's move along. Let's see. That move was filthy. Yeah, that move was filthy. Moving along, guys, you want to throw out some tickers here? Let's go ahead and break it down. As it stands, SPY is just hemorrhaging. Yellow dot coin paid again. Let's change that, Synthetic Wiz. Yes, absolutely. Let's change it, man. Come on. Your mama's counting on you. Okay, made 71% on AMC calls, now riding some puts. Disney is dying. That's what I like to see. Yellow dots on coin paid again. Let's go ahead and look at coin. We're showing proof of concept here, guys. This you cannot argue about. You cannot argue about yellow, cross, 200, money. That is just money. You like making money? You like making money? Synthetic, if you want to make money, go ahead. Just join. You don't have to pay $1,348. You could go ahead and join it for free. And we give you the charge for free. Trade 1348, link down in the description. You get the charge for free. Listen, I'm giving away free game here, right? You don't have to join the community. You want to sign up, take the chart and cancel? Hey, that's on you. Says a lot about the type of individual you are. However, if you really want to be part of a strong community of just traders who are learning day by day, becoming millionaires, we can brag about that too. We welcome you. Okay, so SPY fighting the 200 on the 3-minute. Let's do that. Let's see what the SPY is doing on a 3-minute. And wowzers. Okay, so you do have the 200 on the 3-minute. You were signaled a put. Do you see how this yellow light just led you into the put on the 3-minute? Let's see if it leads us to victory on the 5 as well. Man, Netflix, is it dying? Netflix, what are you... Oh, and oh my God. Okay, so... All right, guys, you see these multiple yellow lights? This was a construction zone, apparently, but you knew not to enter because the EMAs were super tight. It was super tight. You had levels here. You guys know what we call this. It's an EMA sandwich. So when you get like a bunch of yellows, construction zone. It finally breaks down, and you get the clue when RSI breaks below its moving average, and ta-da, MACD breaks for a very healthy histogram. This is your put. This is where you make the money. This is where you make the money. All right. They think they're slick trying to steal the chart. Yeah, they think they're slick. But it is what it is, right? At the end of the day, I promise you, give me a week. I'll make a believer out of you. I'll make a trader out of you. I'll make your mama proud. She's going to be so happy that you actually get to leave the house. She'll be like, whoa, wait. You get to leave? Hallelujah. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at BBBY. Even though it's a shit stock, Bed Bath Beyond is a shit stock. And I wouldn't trust this even with my mother. Okay, check it out. You already made your money. I'm done with this. Next, I want to make real money. I don't want to make shitcoin money. I want to make real money. This is not real money. It's $3. Come on. Anyways, I do have a gem of a video coming later. Mind blown. Lori believes, she believes, Miguel Torres loved that after a year, the term EMA sandwich remains relevant. LOL, one of my greatest contributions. Miguel, absolutely. Miguel is demanding. Can we get a round of applause for Miguel, who coined EMA sandwich? BBBY gonna rock it after Ryan Cohen gets back in. Pity, fool. I like the fool part of your name because that's what you're acting like. It's just a fool. You're speculating. I'm here to make money. The community's here to make money. You go ahead and just, no one cares. No one fucking cares. All right. So, anyways, let's go ahead and see this. Ryan Cohen literally said he was going down with the ship on his Titanic suite. Sweet tweet. Okay. 13 EMA sandwich sounds like jail time. It does, right? Coin with the put. Spy Invictus. Let's go. Let's check out Spy. Where is she at? And then we're going to see what Invictus has told us. Invictus has given us the signal. Spy on its way down. Invictus currently 1-for-1, 100%. You can make all kinds of money with all kinds of indicators in the one most inclusive community on the planet. That's here, Trade 1348. Let's go. Let's say Gabe talks fast because he thinks fast. He ain't got no time for your feelings. Nope, I don't give a shit about your feelings, right? Neither does the market. Anyways, let's Johnson & Johnson. All right, let's go ahead and do Johnson & Johnson. That's on a daily, right? Let's get that done. Here we go. Johnson & Johnson on the daily. Spy making bank. You guys already know how to handle that situation, right? Gabe on that cafecito. Yes, I am. Oh, I'm damn near going to lose my voice again. So here we have Johnson & Johnson on a 5-minute. Yellow light. Put. Paid. Done. Game. Done. That's done. Now, let's go ahead and look at the daily. Yellow light, red light, breaks the level, 200. Where are you going, baby? You're coming down to the 200. You go ahead and secure that bag. You secure that bag as you approach the 200, and then you wait for an entry below the 200, right? This is all about making money. This is not about speculating about Ryan Cohen and the shit stock that's trading for $3. BBBY, come on now. All right. Anyways, let's see. Wait to close below the 200 on SPY. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. SPY, what are you doing here? On the 5-minute, the 200's way down here. So the way we play this, right? You're way above the 200. 200 is identified with this red line here. This is the 200 EMA. Now, when price action is above the 200 EMA, you are in fact biased to calls. However, you do have opportunity to play a put into a level. And as it stands right now, you have a level here at about 391.75. You also have a level here. And what's the value there? 391.10. Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you're curious about these charts, we give the levels for you, right? We take the thinking out of the equation. All you have to do is learn to read the charts. Now, Apple is strong, holding up SPY. Let's go ahead and see what Apple's doing. Apple strong, holding up SPY. This is a very interesting situation here with Apple. The thing is I'm not ready. I don't want it. Apple, you had the break, got rejected. 138.68 was a level, gave you more than you deserve. At this point, if you took this yellow light into this call, listen, you should have printed. There's no reason why Apple should be, in fact, a play that's open for you. There's no reason. All right. What can be done with the $25,000 portfolio was 108, but AMC, okay, yeah, that sucks, right? You know why that sucks? You were just holding, right? You had no exit strategy. That was the problem. Here in this community, we create the exit strategy, and we go ahead and we take the guesswork out of it. All right, let's see. Zach Chano, down 0.25% today, but happy with myself for cutting losers and sticking to the plan. Tomorrow's a whole new day. Absolutely. Guys, you know what? You got other communities, right? They're touting their gains. 4,000%. I mean, you got TraderBot, those guys, they're on all over Instagram right now, right? You see them, like, I'm going to show you how to make 4,000%. You know what? No, that's bullshit. I'm going to show you guys how not to lose money and how to do the base hits, because the base hits at 1% compounding is far more sexier than that one anomaly that went 4,000%, right? But you didn't even know it was going to go 4,000%, right? Come on. Let's get real. Back to the charts. Let's see. Synthetic only has about 3,000 in the count. That's healthy. Boring trader, if you follow the rules and cut your losses, that's a great day. Absolutely. Good morning, y'all. And Joy T says, best community ever. Absolutely. Thank you for that compliment. Now, what are we looking at? Let's go ahead and look at Invictus. Ooh, QQQ. Let's see what the QQQs are doing. And we get into the QQQs. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. You had yellow light here at the break of the 48. Guys, you already know what the deal is, right? You want to see a break below the 48 so that you have just free roam down to this level here at 273.12, 272.98. All right, so this is significant here, right? Significant. So you want a candle break below so you have some room to run. You break this, then you're hitting the 200. All right, let's see. Tori started with 1K and is building it daily. I love that. I don't understand how people get those 4,000% gains. I have to work for 10%. Yes, I'd rather work for 10% than feel like an entitled cunt thinking that I deserve 4,000%. Why? That's unrealistic. Anyways, Josh Doe. Good morning, Gabe. Can you look at ABBV on a daily from the predictive crosses? Okay, ABBV. Let's see what she's got for me, huh? Ooh, look at that put. Now let's go to the daily. Ooh, look at this. All right, you do have a level here. All right, 154.10. Yellow light here on this candle. I said candy. You know why it's candy? Because that yellow light is absolutely candy. Some yellow bubblegum Pac-Man style. Look at this candle here. You got in 161. You played the put side. You know where your level's at. It broke. It led you to victory. Take your money. That's it. Take your money. All right, let's go to fan fave.
Nvidia.
Gotta love it. One more time. Who wants it?
Nvidia.
Let's do it. NVIDIA. What are we looking at here? NVIDIA on the 5-minute. How are we playing her? Yes, NVIDIA still paying. You do have a level here, guys. Listen, you got levels. Look at RSI. Pay attention to RSI. RSI breaks above its moving average, then you know what happens. You know what happens here, right? You break above that moving average, you are now in the realm of uncertainty. You are certain as long as RSI stays below the moving average, stays below 50, confirms that the trend is down. Now you have the MACD here. Looks like it's weakening. It was weakening here. Last time we saw that weakening, you had a break above the 48 with that wild spike there. You don't want to get caught in the spike. So let's go ahead and look at what's happening here on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you had a put signal. You had yellow light. You broke this level, gave you more than you deserve. RSI broke above his moving average. Guys, this is about to reverse. I say secure the bag. Get out now. All right, let's see. Is the daily trend now green with the presence of the yellow dot on the SPY? So put holders should have cleared the board by now. Is that correct? I really don't care what put holders are doing on the daily. All I know is, let's see. SPY on a daily, you got a yellow light here. Now, here's the thing. You still have to fall back onto rules. You do have a level here which we flirted with, 393.09, okay? If you are going to enter on this yellow light, just know that 389.96 is your risk. You're also going to go ahead and buy contracts that are about 30 to 45 days out. So you want to go 4 weeks, 6 weeks, maybe even 8 weeks. Give yourself time. All right. You don't know how this will pan out, but if she runs, let me show you the last time we had a yellow light. The SPY was at 368, and this was in October. Here we are about 2.5 months later. But from 368 to 410, holy hell. This was in December. 2 months. That's bank. That's money. That is money. All right, X-Raider says, I need some of that coffee. This coffee is fucking phenomenal. I'm damn near vibrating and feeling all kinds of tingly on my face. Really feels like I had Viagra. Let's see. Moving along. What else do we have, guys? Tesla, yellow dot. Let's look at Tessie. Kelly, I see you are very active in the community now. I take it you really love these traffic lights. Kelly, can I get a thumbs up if you love the traffic lights, please? Thank you, Kelly. Broader community, give me a thumbs up if you love the traffic lights. Also, if you already made your 1% on a day, post it as well, okay? Let's rock and roll. Uh, Kelly's like, I love the lights. Yeah, you know who also loves lights? Flies. Bzzz. Okay, that got memed. Anyways, we'll go back to the chart here. Looking at what we have yellow light. We also got the 48. We got a blue pill. Uh-oh. But the thing is, we got to pay attention to RSI. RSI is below 50. You are printing some reds here on the histogram. How exciting. Oh, boy. Now, Tessie, all you got to do is break the 48 here. And you do have a level at 120. This is very reasonable. This is a reasonable level. This is not going to make you a millionaire. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but holy hell, it's going to make you money. This chart, guys, will give you the financial freedom you seek. And this is no bullshit. Honest to God, no BS. We have an army of individuals who have learned to live and die by this strategy. SPY reversed. Let's go ahead and look at what SPY did. Did she in fact reverse? Not quite a reversal, but you did have your risk. You had your risk. That yellow line here. We go back to the SPY here, right? Yellow light. You got that break below the 48. Listen, we talk about RSI. If it's trending up, right? If RSI is trending up, then you're probably looking at a reversal. But if you came in on this candle, took it all the way down to this wick, you're good. You're good, right? You are absolutely good, especially knowing that it gave you more than you deserve at this level at 391.77. Okay, it works well. Longest strike dates help me greatly. Absolutely. Let's see. Tesla calls. We'll take a look at that in a second. Disney bounced off that 200. Of course it did. Of course it did. That's why we respect it. That's why we respect it. Guys, do you think we're just telling you like, hey, the 200's there because the 200's there? I wish I didn't need so many crayons on my chart, but, you know, these charts are still better than those other guys that have like 8,000 lines saying it's going to the moon. Like, chill with your etch and sketch, bro. Let's go ahead. 7% up on the port for the day. I'm donezo. That's what I like to see. Check out INM. Could start making a move tomorrow. 85% upside potential from 204 to 390. Cash buyer, who gives a flying fuck about your shit stock? Arvin, so should we get in when the yellow dot first appears or wait for the candle to close? Sometimes it flickers. Wait for the candle to close. It's all about candle close. All right, LOL. The Fibonacci's and the Bollinger Bands and the market internals laughing my ass off. Dark pool data. Short data. We got all that. There's shorts data, dark pool data, unusual wells data. How much data is out there? You know what? You guys have so much data that you have to be able to digest that you're absolutely paralyzed. You're paralyzed. What we do things differently here, right? We have actionable alerts that are going to help you make money. Okay? That's it. Don't forget BAM. Oh, God. BAM investor? You got to be fucking kidding me. Okay, analysis paralysis. Absolutely. Trade1348.com. Get your 14 days free. Also, you get OG lifetime. Use that promo code. Again, STV, somebody drop the promo code in the chat here. Go ahead and get yourself lifetime. We're celebrating the 1-year anniversary of 1348. Let's rock and roll. Back to the charts. Bam, vibration lines. I got something that he could vibrate with. That did... Delete that. No, I did not say that. All right. AZN just joined today. Good shit. Happy to have you. Want to see you in the community. We are going to help you change your life. Just be accountable to yourself. Stop blaming the man. Stop blaming the SEC. Stop blaming Gary Gensler. Stop blaming everybody. Right? Stop bitching and complaining that the market has an upper hand on you, because the fact is it does. So what we do here is we just play with that upper hand. We go ahead and ride the momentum. First day in a while. Could you please explain yellow dot one more time? It's reversal changes, pod one. It's all about reversal changes. Thomas C. up 14% on PFE puts. Delicious. Clutch for the win. First day in 1348. Let's ride. If I joined yesterday, can I upgrade with discount promo for a lifetime? Grant, yes, you can. Just reach out to Diana in the Discord. People, send this man on over to Diana so she can transition him on over to lifetime. Grant Wiley already sees the way. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at Disney. What are we doing here, Disney? Disney making that move on up. Right? We got to wait for those indications, right? We got to wait for the indications. You went ahead and took this put, yellow light put, 200 EMA. You should have secured the bag here. Anybody who held and thought like, oh, no, it's not going to bounce. You know what? You deserve everything that happens to you. Everything. Because we give you the rules and we stick to the rules and we play by the rules each and every day. Now, if you're colorblind, let me know. I'll change the color to purple. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. Anyways, damn, slowing the playback due to the coffee hype. You got to slow it down. Absolutely. Let's see. Give him a transition stat. I don't know. Damn, that coffee has some spice. Gabe is like a 5.0 Mustang this morning. I appreciate 5.0 Mustang and not a fucking Dodge Charger. I swear, anybody with a Dodge Charger just feels those arrogant pricks. Anyways, what's everyone using for options trading? We are using Webull. Okay, now let's go ahead and go back to platform here. We have the cues that was alerted. It was reverse. That's cool. 3-minute crosses. Let's go ahead and check out TMUS. It is a cross up. Let's see what TMUS. T-Mobile. How many of you have T-Mobile here? How many of you have T-Mobile? Don't lie. Don't lie. T-Mobile. 5-minute yellow light call level coming up. You guys already know what the deal is. You already know what the deal is. You secure that bag. It's really that simple. Yellow light for the fucking win. You guys see this transition here? You see this transition here? Yellow light for the fucking win. You win. That's it, right? This is better than the lotto. Look at this. Look at that level. Look at that level. Oh, holy hell. You see the level? You see where it rejected? You're getting some rejection here. This is going to be a level. It broke through the level. Okay, let's see where it goes. RSI running flat here. If it pivots back down, then it's going to come back down. But you made your money here. All right, let's see. Purple's my favorite color. Gabe, can you explain what setups you look for? Are you playing the yellow dots, the reversal strategy, Invictus, or the 1348 cross? I know you can play it all, but it's a lot. Ant-Man. One thing at a time, young grasshopper. Master one thing at a time. That way, you can be like Tom Brady behind the O-line calling the audible. That's why you need mastery in the concepts as a whole. You want to be Tom Brady, right? I wish I had Tom Brady's wife. I'd never let her go. Maybe I would. She seems like a little too high maintenance. Anyways, go back to the charts. But that's what you want to do. You guys, you want to go ahead and learn the whole strategy, right? And then be able to play the audibles. And that comes with experience. I don't lean on one thing or another. I'm leaning on the entirety of the strategy. Let's see. I'm at work right now, but I want in. Big boom, trade1348.com, link down in the description. Come get you some. You got some wife-changing money happening here. And if you're single, we're about to change that too. Because I'm sorry, guys. Listen, let's be real, right? You might call her a gold digger, but she's just hardwired for it, right? The more money you got, the more attractive you are. That is, it is what it is, right? Anybody who says like, oh, it don't matter how much money you got, she's fucking lying, can't be trusted. All right, let's see. Feeling like Brady in the pocket, 1348, you can't stop it. Ooh, I like that rhyme. Tori, we already know you're a musician, but please do not embarrass Eminem. Okay, back to the charts. Turbo Coffee, absolutely. Spy example. When will the red dots turn yellow? Jesus Christ. When will the red dots turn yellow? Well, I tell you what, when they do, okay? Guys, we need to stop anticipating and speculating and just let the chart flow with you. You guys are the chart whisperers now. Yeah, I know. I do look like the dog whisperers. People have confused me. But you are now chart whisperers, right? Do not formulate a bias and say, okay, yeah, it should go yellow. When yellow dots, it's when it prints. Now, going back to the chart here, just signed up for 1348 Jamel Smith. He's seen proof of the pudding. That's what we like to see. We like to see that proof, right? Listen, social proof is a motherfucker. You got guys who are saying, like, these are best alerts on TradingView, right? And they're showing you a controlled environment. They're showing you a controlled environment. We can play this on anything. absolutely anything. All right, let's go. Let's see. Life Wisdom, Cousin Gabe, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? All right, what are we looking at? Guys, tickers, please, let's have some fun. J&J, let's go back to J&J. Someone said it was successful. Of course it was successful. Of course. Look at this. Look at this. The put, it paid. RSI, depleted. You guys know what's expected to happen, right? You know what's expected to happen. Let's go ahead and look at BTI. British American Tobacco, and you got yellow light and a put. Come on. Did you make money? You made money. You sure did. Now, let's go ahead and look on the daily. I'm done here. I am fucking done here. Look at where we signaled here. Yellow light comes into a put. This is at 40. This is at 38. Come on. Come on. BTI. I swear it's a thing here, right? It's a thing here. Chipotle. Oh, Chipotle on the daily. Looks like it wants to reverse here. It certainly does. Now let's see what we got on the 5-minute. Look at she's just running. She's just running. Yellow light. This happened yesterday. And you've been in this call all freaking day. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's just running. Now, on the daily, it looks like there's a possible reversal. I would not play this until I see a yellow light, and hopefully that yellow light comes somewhere between now and that 200 EMA with RSI still above 50 and MACD showing green. What that's going to signal is that there is enough momentum to break the 200 here, and then you're looking at some other kinds of levels. All right. Is the SPY running out of steam? Well, we'll take a look at that in a second. Just waiting on a Tesla alert. Looks like it's coming down. I play 1348 literally on everything. Trip. Love it. Love to see it. PFE hitting a line. Tesla reversal. Okay, if you're in Pfizer, why would you stay in Pfizer? Honestly. I mean, secure that bag and defend your profit. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Tesla. You guys are asking for Tesla. Here we go. Tesla on the 5-minute. Tessie, what you doing? Okay, yellow. Yellow says, okay, possible trend reversal. What's also happening here is you're going flat. Now, this is where you go ahead and wait for the indicators. You want to see RSI break below 50 and build some steam here on the histogram. You also have a level here at 122.32. You should have respected it. You should have respected it. You had a blue pill line and you had the 48 here. So now you have another level at 123.49. As it stands here, this should be your risk. The 13 should have been your risk. You get out of Tesla and wait for a more profitable setup. Now, Frosky says, I know you like Ford. What are good buying levels for you? All of them. I just love Ford. So Ford tends to oscillate between like 11 and 13. I'll buy in that range. I know Ford is easily, and this is not financial advice. You know what? I can't even say. I can't even give you the number out of my ass because I can't do that. But I am very bullish on Ford. Anthony A. says, Gabe, I'm self-employed doing recon on pre-owned auto lots. 1348 going to save my butt in this market. Thanks for all the knowledge you share. Anthony. Whoa. Okay, so are you at Manheim or you at ACV? What lots are you on, man? Because the car market is shit. Let's see. The AR guy, you said it, not me. You could say it. I agree. I do. Okay, back to the charts. Let's go ahead and see if we're getting any more alerts. We got WFC on the alert there. Let's see what Invictus has. Invictus has not given us anything else, but let's go ahead and look at WFC. Tesla giving you another yellow. Okay, giving you another yellow. So this is another opportunity, but you quarter size into it, right? So you really lost nothing if you think about it. If you had an allocation of 10%, you quarter sized and you played to the 48 here. That was a scalp, right? You see that is sort of kind of like worked against you. That's fine. But now you have a flickering yellow. Let's see what happens here. But if we get a full yellow and a candle break above this blue pill line, then you could go ahead and do a quarter entry. This is managing a risk. This is how you manage risk. Okay, now, Let's see. Oh, no auction sites, just dealerships. Oh man, dude, you got to do auction sites, right? Go ahead and get cars at wholesale and then put them on Turo. Turo's just killing it right now. Like my fleet of Turo vehicles is it's killing it right now. I'm just buying a shitload of cars and just putting it on Turo. Like, yeah, it works. Okay, let's see. Quarter size into it really was game changer for me. Great babe. Absolutely. Okay, GL says Spy Yellow. Let's go ahead and check out Spy here. Spy, what are we doing? We got Yellow on the Spy, right? So you got Yellow here. You broke, gave you more than you deserve. And then now you get to quarter entry into this and see if it's going to take you to the promised land, back to 393. Okay, let's see. A month ago, I had a phone alert to verify my Turo account. I've never signed up. Man, you should give it a try. You should give it a try. Okay, what else are we looking at? I'm liking Spy right now. You got the yellow light here. You also got RSI above 50. I want you to keep an eye on that. You got MACD, light pink, right? Looks like it could be turning into a bullish signal, but also keep in mind, for context, it is 11:27 a.m., right? Market goes sleepy during these hours, and then you got 2:30, 3 o'clock where things start to shake up. Turo is very time consuming to do. You know, if you can find Turo hosts, right? Usually you'll find guys who operate hosting sites by your airports, right? My guy charges me about $120 per vehicle. He keeps the delivery fee, by the way. I really don't care. It's $120 per vehicle for the month, and it is literally a mile away from the airport. It's a mile away from the airport. I went ahead and got the Mercedes all cleaned up, and yeah, after it got vandalized, she is now on Turo. So anybody in Orlando, if you're wanting to drive my car, just jump on Turo and find yourself a white Mercedes. Anyways, it's an S-Class, by the way, 2022. Go check it out. Did you change 200 EMA to red? Yes. And 48 EMA yellow? Yes. Indicator video says yellow. Yes. Well, 48's yellow. 200 is red. Let's see. I don't have 25,000 in Webull to trade daily. No, all you need is a cash account. Get off that margin. You should not. No one should be doing margin unless you have like $500,000, at least $500,000 in a portfolio. Small accounts should not be doing margin. What happens if they total crash it? Well, then Travelers Insurance covers it. I really don't care. I'm not married to those things. The only one car I would never rent out is my Aston Martin. I love that car. It's a dream car since I was a kid. For everything else, I put them hoes to work. Let's see. Bioware is ripping. Let's go ahead and take a... Oh, we got another therapeutics. Here we go. Yeah, there was money to be made here, but it's a shit stock in my book. But you see, proof positive, guys. Listen, if you want to go ahead and play shit stocks, go ahead and play shit stocks, right? Join our community, get the chart, stay in the community. Let's make a man out of you. But you know what you could do? You could go ahead and take an affiliate link, which we also have. You can become an affiliate of the system, right? And then you go on StockTwits and you go on Webull and you go everywhere else. And when they start talking about shit stocks, you could go ahead and give them the chart. You end up becoming the second coming of Jesus because you would be right because the chart is right. Let's go ahead and look at WWE. Yes, you can become affiliates and sell. We make you partners. You get a 30% cut. Just saying. Okay. Anyways, back to the chart. WWE 88.15. I told you guys what goes up must come down. I told you guys this in a live stream. This was Viagra, overdosed, some Cialis, crash. That's what that was. So, if you print it on WWE, congratulations, right? I'm not going to advise you to hold any longer. You do whatever the fuck you want to do at this point. Okay? You do whatever you want to do at this point. You print it. All right, Chris Brenneman. I'm really happy about Bayer. Been back holding since before I met you guys. Getting very close to break even. Let's see. Red Ape, looking at your Benz now. First car that comes up. Dope. Red Ape. There you go. You gonna rent it for me? All right, Red Ape, can you just confirm? Can you confirm the price that I'm renting it for? Make sure you're looking at it. Well, what am I renting it for in a daily? Do we still use ADX? Of course we use ADX. But ADX is a supplementary indicator. 400 per day to rent a Mercedes? Wow, that's crazy. Astro 299, you nailed it. I'm undercutting the competition. You know why? You know why I'm undercutting the competition? Because I don't need the fucking car. You got guys out there who actually need the car, and they're pricing it 380, 400, that type of thing. No, I'm out to destroy the market. And that's what we do here at 1348. I had a vision about the strategy, and I'm aggressive. And you know what? I want to destroy everybody. No, I'm the 500. The 580 is a V8 engine. Just really doesn't make much of a difference on a 0 to 60. Is about a quarter second faster. This thing still rides on clouds. Maybe I'm planning on seeing my dad soon. There you go, Red Ape. WWN a daily? Who cares? We already talked about it. It's done. Moving along. Let's see what the spy is doing. Oh my God. You know what I just thought about? Somebody is like, oh yeah, that's Gabe's Merc on Turo. Let's rent it and vandalize it again. Have fun. I really don't give a fuck anymore. Need to black out the glass though. See, let's see. Yeah, it's Turo for Florida. The reason why I can't black out the glass is because it's double pane windows, right? It's sound insulation. So if I put tints on it, it gives it a green hue. I already talked to several guys, you know, I could get a guy just to put tints on it and probably put a fresh set every month, but that just doesn't make sense. Yeah, the host takes care of the delivery to the person, right? I have my Merc, I have my Rover, I have a couple of other Rovers. We have a shit ton of Rovers on there, actually. Good morning. Can you give us levels on AMC? All right, I'll give you levels on AMC. Only if you promise to click the link down in the description, trade1348.com. All right? You guys want to make money? Stop putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, as far as levels for AMC, we could see it's rather obvious. AMC gave you yellow light. Now she's sort of kind of consolidating. You still got the green lights, but RSI is below its moving average. So all you need now is RSI to break below 50, cross on the histogram here, right? MACD crossing the signal line and start seeing some red here on a histogram. And you know what happens? AMC dreams are crushed. And they're like, what happened? And it's market manipulation. And then it's
emotional damage.
Yeah, Turo's everywhere. I've avoided Turo because of the time commitments, but this changes things. Absolutely. Just check it out. Find Turo hosts near airports. That's where those guys live, right? And, you know, work out a deal. So I have about 47 cars on Turo right now. Just 47? No. 46? Something like that. Okay? But I pay $120 a month. Have you tried Death Wish coffee? No. This sounds scary. RF, what are we doing here? RF, you got to cross here on the 5-minute pending. You got yellow, you got the 200 here. Let's look on the daily. You got your yellow light, you got your call. Let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out, you have a level at 22.23. That is where you should start considering exiting, right? Or start paying attention to your MACD on the daily. RSI still showing strength, moving average, breaking through the 50. You got some green here on the histogram. You got very, very low to green here. But hey, it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah. Listen, man. You think I'm sitting here just making money in the stock market? And no, man. It's all about building fucking conglomerates. It's all about building empires, man. You make money not to spend it and just buy stupid shit with it. Always start thinking about how you make money, how you take money to make more money, right? That's it. That's the game I'm in. Okay? Is Rifle Coffee any good? I usually go for Folgers Breakfast Blend. I don't know. Oh, I got to be diversified, right? I got to be diversified. It's all about diversification. All about diversification, right? Money begets money. The sooner you figure that out, the better you'll be, right? You guys are going to go ahead and build your personal accounts, right? First, you're building your accounts for income. I get it, right? But when you start building it bigger, you're going to be like, whoa, wait, what does this $25,000 do, right? Oh, this $25,000, I damn near 30%ed it in a month. Great, congratulations. Now, what you going to do with that profit? You could go ahead, get a vehicle, right? Do your math. Now you got monthlies on a car, but you got an ROI. So here's a trick with Turo, right? Whatever your monthly is, divided by 10. And that is usually what your going rate on the car should be. Because now you only need 10 trading days to cover your payment, 11 trading days to cover your insurance, and then everything else is profit. And on average, most cars will rent out between 18 to 20 days on Turo. All right. Let's see. That's it. All right, guys, what else are we looking at? I'm looking at RF. RF is looking good with that call. You just got to pay attention to the indicators and make sure that the histogram starts to print green. Okay? J&J already at the 200 on the daily. Thank you, Pythagoras. Michael Paso printed. Michael, what was your percentage gain? I own car lots. I also own a car dealership, right? But the thing was that Turo was my hedge against the car dealership. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to you now? I'm never sitting on money, and I will never take a loss. You always got to think about how you hedge, and always consider your risks, right? That makes you nimble. It makes you so nimble. Man, guys, making money is really not that hard. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Sava. Sava on the 5-minute. Holy fucking shit. All right, we're done. We're done here. You got the yellow light. You then came down, you hit a level. You saw that level. So you're like, nah, I don't want this. Then you get another yellow light. And boom, she skyrockets. You know what's another good indication? RSI breaking above its moving average. It breaks above its moving average. Look at that. RSI above its moving average. Then MACD said, let me give you the gift of greens, baby. And then you got green traffic lights all the way up. Go ahead and make your money. All right, guys, listen. Trade1348.com. You want the chart? Get the chart for free. I don't care. You can rip me off. It don't matter. I ain't hurting for money. I make money elsewhere. You guys were accusing me of making money on AMC. It was like, no, I make money in the markets, right? But now you guys can see, right? All you haters, naysayers, you see how we play these charts? Welcome. Welcome to my world. This is how I make my money. Let's rock and roll. Para, check it out. And Para on the 5-minute, yellow light. Oh, look at this. Yellow light right at the 48 EMA before you get some green lights. And then she goes to the moon. Look at this. You got a level. I don't owe you anything anymore. At this point, the chart did what it has to do. If you want to break through this level, that's you chancing it. I would say secure the bag and wait for a level break. That is it. You got a level break, then you're also looking at 2011. But right now, I mean, you're in profit. Would you want to risk where it's at right now, 1998, just to catch 2011? Hell no. That's stupid math. That is stupid fucking math. You don't want to do that. Okay? Oh my God, here we go with Bior again. Let's look at what Bior is doing. buy, or you got your call signal, yellow light, call signal, you're here. You're seeing some consolidation. Why are you seeing consolidation? Because you got a level right here that printed pre-market at 736. There goes your blue pill, okay? Listen, these charts don't lie. We're not lying. Do you have options trading videos? You don't need to know options trading. We break it down for you, actually. We'll show you something, Anthony. You know the power of what we do here, right? Let's go ahead and look at Wix. Once you open this dashboard, we're giving you the strike. We're giving you the strikes that you should pick. I like to play at the money always. All right, XRP. XRP, what are we doing here? We'll flip this, XRP. XRP. All right, you're talking crypto. Let me show you something on a 15-minute. Right, on a 15, you could scalp the hell out of crypto. Yellow light on the 15 runs. Yellow light on the 15 runs. You think we're fucking around here? You think we're messing around? You need to go ahead and get these charts. And the only way to get these charts is to join trade1348.com. These charts don't lie. I've been sitting here for well over an hour just proving time and time again. If you're going to hate, it's just because you hate the fact that you're wrong. All right, 15% on J&J. Congratulations, Pepe. Johnson & Johnson, let's rock and roll here. Yes! Woo! Look at that. Now let's look at her on a daily. Oh my God, emotional damage. She is at the 200 here, right? So guys, what do we do when we see something come to the 200? What do we do? Can someone tell me what do we do here? What do we do when something comes down to the 200? You get it. Secure the bag. JH, you double down, I will boot you. I will fucking boot you. All right. Yellow on margin. Arvin? I'll put you in timeout. That's it. That's all you're doing. All right. So that's J&J. J&J for the fucking win. Right? Let's see. Tips for entering a Pythagoras play. Just play the charts. That's all I got for you. Honestly. Pythagoras is no different than 1348. Guys, these are just alerts, and the alerts bring you to the chart, and then you read that chart. That's really it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at buy order. There was a question, could it reach the 200, meaning the 9, or, you're talking about what? No. That's not happening. You do have a level here at about $9, right? 882, maybe? That's 880. Okay. Can I say something about this? I want to say something about this, right? Because, there are a lot of people who go ahead and play these type of penny stocks or shit stocks, right? And thinking like, okay, yeah, it's going to go to the moon, right? The amount of risk that you are undertaking is just ridiculous. It is just ridiculous. Okay? Don't do it, all right? You got a blue pill line. It looks like it wants to break. That's cool. But you see what happens here, right? You go ahead and you run, and then you're dumped on. That's what this is. How do you go ahead from 880 and damn near lose $3.53? How? Does this make you comfortable? Does this make you comfortable that you could go ahead and buy something at pre-market and lose over a third of its value? No. I can't. I don't want it. Will I play Bior if it broke 10 and got out of shit stock territory? Yes. let's see. Snake Dave says, I'm feeling the death of the pre-markets of the market soon. Yeah, we'll go ahead and see. We'll see how that works. Now, let's see what else do we have here. We have Invictus alerted coin, and it crossed. Let's look at coin here. Coin has been giving the gift of gains all morning. You had the put here. You knew that put was a false signal because you had the 200 EMA. You just waited for a yellow light or that bounce off and played into a yellow light, which led to a call, which then put you back in this level here. Again, if you're looking at coin right now, do this. 1 minute, baby. That's what you're doing. You're playing the 1 minute. Since coin is now, if you look at it in the 5 minute, coin is obviously in a range. So to fully capitalize on that oscillation, you go to the 1 minute. Yellow light, die. Yellow light, green. You got it? You see, yellow light consolidation, yellow light, quarter. It runs. You make all the money, right? Yellow light, red, quarter percentage, nothing. Another quarter, stop out, quarter, money. You see what I'm saying? Right? So you get to play this on the 1 minute, make some coin. NVIDIA bounced off a level at 156.24 on Webull. Must have marked that last month sometime. Levels matter for the win. Absolutely. Let's see. Arvin, buyer was my biggest lesson from a year ago about these speculative short squeeze plays. Still a heavy bag. So down on that, right? So which indicator is this? Trade1348.com. Go ahead, get access to the chart for free. We're going to give you access to the community free for 14 days, right? Go ahead, become a believer of the chart. We always say, like, believe in the chart. Well, obviously, we've been showing this chart over and over and over again. Made believers out of you. Listen, guys, it is 11:47. I have given you more than you deserve. I will be back with STV for another public live stream at 12:30. Trade1348.com. Go ahead, get yourself some free 14 days, some free charts like these. And you know what? If you are a public member, or listen, if you're watching us publicly and you've been on the fence and you're like, yeah, maybe I want to get lifetime, go ahead, contact Diana, OG, whatever the OG lifetime, I think that's the promo code. We will make the lifetime available to the public, all right? So that's it. Happy birthday to we. It's all of us here. The OGs, I love you. We've been at it for a whole year. We've been changing lives. And you know what? We're going to change more lives in 2023. I am signing